Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So, my last video I made a birthday card which was for my godmother, and it was a surprise for her, but then she found out that I made it for her and her birthday is yet to come. Okay, check it. On the card I had stuck some flowers which I personally made, but it wasn't so hard. It was just some cutting and like folding and cutting work, and it's very easy. So I had not shown you all like how I made it. Okay, I will show you how to make those flowers that I made, and with those paper flowers I'm going to do some quilling work. I'm in the quilling paper thingy, which I didn't do, which I didn't add on that card, so I'm just going to show it like separately, just for y'all, like if y'all want to know how to make those flowers, the patterns and stuff. So hope you'll enjoy this video. This was a card I made last video, and these were the flowers I was talking about. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how I made these flowers. As I said, they are very easy. All you need is a glue, a scissor and paper. So done. So guys, I'm going to take the length and the breadth the same centimeter. So say I take 7 centimeters, so I'm going to take the length and the breadth 7 centimeters.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait. Bring the funk back.